Here's my presentation of the enhancement 1. Here's my template page. Almost completed, I guess. I don't know how to move that over here. Responsiveness, I'm sorry I don't have responsiveness. I didn't take that front end class, so I don't know how to do that. Let's validate it. Show you the validation of the HTML. No errors shown. That's good. Let's look at the local CSS. I have one error. I guess I have too many variables in my wrapper ID. Sorry about that as well. But let's go look at the home page. Again, not very pretty, but I have some of the functionality in there. Here's my little button that's supposed to be right there. I'm sorry about that. And then let's validate this HTML. Some warnings, I guess. I don't know why they're warnings. And last but not least, the responsive here. I know it's ugly. Again, I should have taken the front end class, and I apologize. Thank you for watching.